In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header in Webflow. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and search for Webflow on Google. Once you've done that, look for the login or sign up option in the search results and click on it. If you already have an account with Webflow, follow the prompts to log in using your credentials. On the other hand, if you're new to Webflow, simply follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. It takes just a few moments, and you'll be ready to get started. After successfully logging in or signing up, the next step is to open the site where you want to add your newly created header. Navigate to your Projects panel, find the specific site, and open it. This will bring you to the Webflow Designer, where you'll actually start building your header. Now, let's move on to creating the header itself. Begin by dragging a section element from the Add panel onto your canvas. This section will serve as the container for your entire header, so make sure to place it at the top of your page for easy navigation and consistency. Once you have your section in place, you need to add an image element right into this section. This is where you would typically place your logo, so choose an image file from your computer or from an existing asset within your Webflow project to represent your brand or site. With the logo settled, it's time to bring in the navigation functionality. Drag a navbar component from the Add panel into the same section, positioning it next to your logo. This will form the foundation of your site's navigation system. You'll notice that the default navigation links may not align with your current site structure, so take a moment to modify these links to match your existing pages for seamless navigation. Feel free to adjust the layout of your navbar to your liking. Whether you want it to stretch horizontally across the top or stack vertically along the side, make use of all the layout settings available to you. Pay close attention to the appearance of your header elements. Select each component within your header, like the logo and the navbar, and utilize the Style panel to refine their appearance. This includes tweaking the font, color, spacing, and other design elements to fit your site's aesthetic and branding. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted header that serves as both a visual framework for your site and a functional navigation tool. Experiment with these tools and settings whenever you feel like adding more creativity to your design. You've now mastered the basics of creating a header in Webflow, equipping you with essential skills to make your website not only functional but visually appealing as well.